foodies, welcome to Foodland. Winter season and hot chocolate have beautiful combination, and we love hot chocolate with some innovative ideas. So here is my idea for hot chocolate. So lately I have seen many trending videos for hot chocolate bombs, but I do not have the mold, so I thought of giving a try with some ice cube tray and shot glasses that I had, the disposable ones. So we do not have to go purchase any specific mold for this, but just whatever you have in home. So these are my hot chocolate cups, and them in a ice cube tray. So just simply a beautiful silicone mold I had, and these that came out of the shot glasses that I had. Let's see how to make this chocolate stirrer. Just put hot milk, and that will be super fun to see them dissolve, and you will see it's very interesting recipe. And do try it at home this winter, and especially for the holiday season. I've wrapped them in a gift bag, so you will enjoy that even more by gift giving. So stay tuned for the ingredients. Okay, so let's see how to make hot chocolate stirrer or hot chocolate cups. We need very few ingredients. This is milk chocolate. This is semi-sweet milk chocolate. Hot chocolate powder. I simply added hot cocoa and sugar, equal proportion. I have this mold, basically nothing but the ice cube tray. This is silicone tray, as you can see. And I also have some shots glasses and have some more chocolate in case we need. So you can use any chocolate that we are going to melt with the double boiler process, which is I'm just gonna get a pot on a stove top and get some water and get this chocolate melted. And I have some toothpicks. So let's get started. It's water almost boiling. Gonna just simply put this bowl and keep stirring for about 20-30 seconds until it melts. Not gonna take long, just for a minute or so. As you can see, it's already melting. Keep stirring. You can also microwave this chocolate for about 20-30 seconds of intervals. Keep stirring until it melts nicely. But this is also another way if you do not have microwave or do not want to use microwave. As you can see, chocolate is melted completely. Beautiful, nice texture. Okay, so let's pour this chocolate in this small silicone ice cube trays. We're making it hollow, we're not filling it in. So make sure that you cover all the sides as well as the base. We are making it hollow because once it's set, we are going to pour some hot chocolate powder there. Alright, so just like this. You can see that. Perfect. Let me show you the shot cups. Just like this. So add some chocolate and just cover it like this. Just spread it across. just like this. So this is the cup. Alright, so 10 minutes are over at the room temperature, and now I'm going to keep them in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can see here in the cups I have some white portion, which is I didn't fill the cups totally up to the level of the cup. So because later we're gonna cut these cups to demold it. Okay, and I have this Cadbury Dairy Milk roasted almond chocolate, so I'm going to get the second batch ready. So let's melt that chocolate. Alright, so as I was showing you earlier, I have melted the Hershey's Kisses and the Cadbury Dairy Milk with the nuts. So as you can see, some nuts in there. You will see some crunchy nutty flavor in the hot chocolate as well. Again, any chocolate of your choice is fine, but I love Kisses and the Cadbury Dairy Milk. So alright, so time to add some hot chocolate powder. 1 or 2 tablespoons, or teaspoons rather. Tap it. Some sprinkles. And we're going to cover this with the remainder of the hot chocolate. Just cover it from all the sides. The top, just to feel a little festive. And add the toothpicks. You can also add marshmallows, the mini marshmallows, but I do not have it, so these are going in the freezer for about 5-10 minutes. Okay, so I got my ice cube tray out, and this is completely ready. So just loosen up all the sides before even you pull out the stick. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous chocolate cube is ready. Isn't this beautiful? Look at this. Just pour some hot milk in the cup and dip this in. Yummy chocolate cubes. Here are my chocolate cube stirrers. Just get a cup, get hot milk in there, and just dip this chocolate cube and keep stirring. Enjoy this hot chocolate this Christmas, and enjoy this anytime during the year. Alright, so I have my hot milk ready, and my volunteer is ready as well. He can't wait to dip that cube in the hot milk. Let's see how it works. It's not gonna pop out, but you just take your time stirring it. That's why the toothpicks are gonna be useful. Just keep stirring until you see the chocolate is melting, the cocoa powder and hot chocolate mixture is all getting in the milk, mixing well, and wait till the milk turns chocolatey. Look at this, beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yay! How about that? Candid moment, right? Wow. Look at this chocolate milk. Super tasty, super hot. And if you want the chocolate, just eat it like that or just keep stirring until it dissolves in the hot milk. What a beautiful morning this is. Lovely hot chocolate. And that's it, I think. Look at that. You can just throw the sticks away and enjoy this beautiful chocolate milk, nice and hot. Okay, so the cups will be a little challenging, but we will get through this. So it's better to have the paper cups instead of the plastic cups. So, but we can just simply cut the edges from 2 or 3 sides and then tear it apart. Okay, it's easier to just peel it off like this, just like so. As you can see, just peel it like banana. That's it, so easy, and you will get the different shape. Look at this, beautiful. You can even out the edges, the extra edges you can just remove it, just to look it nicer, neater. Alright, so here you go. These are my beautiful chocolate stirrer cups, and I have them gift wrapped, and especially from kids to adults, anybody can enjoy this hot chocolate and this winter season, and of course beautiful gift to give and very innovative gift. So I hope you like this recipe, and I am sure you're gonna make this home. We do not need any special mold, just like we need for chocolate bombs, but you can definitely use this as a ice cube tray, or as I showed you the shots glass, and boom, this is easy. So make it home and share your experience on my channel. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.